Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and inside of this course, you're going to be learning about goal setting, not only just for your normal business and your day to days, but for your career and ultimately for your life. These are things where if you learn how to set goals in the proper way, you're not going to all of a sudden have a mental, as I would say, breakdown in the sense of beating yourself up. Oh, I didn't complete this. I didn't reach this goal. I didn't do that. I didn't do this. Instead, what we need to simply be focusing on is what is it that I was lacking in that moment to achieve said goal. And then I can move forward and then, of course, make better plans from the expertise, the knowledge, everything that I have. And we're going to learn how to set personal goals for ourselves that are within our limits. And we're going to determine what really our limits are. We're going to start trying to figure out ways of setting to-do lists in which your productivity will boost up and through the roof, because at the end of the day we often find ourselves with more than we can ever handle in a day. That's pretty typical for anyone who owns their own business, does their own work, or tries to put their destiny in their own hands. That's something that's always going to happen. So what we need to learn as entrepreneurs, as business owners, as people who are going to be successful, we need to learn how to set proper goals that will initiate the fire within us to be able to achieve things well beyond our limits. But it all comes with steps at a time. And we're going to go right inside of that inside this course. So join me if that sounds like something that you're ready for.